This is an F100 Super Sabre. It's our first supersonic jet fighter.
First.
It could fly over 800 miles an hour in level flight. The control stick, if you want to get down, you push it forward. You want to come back up, you pull it back. You want to roll over this way. Did you find the trigger for the guns in the back there? No, it's right on the control stick.
Like a pistol.
You had your finger, it's pistol. Yep, that's it. Fires all 4 20mm cannons at once.
Have to 4 cannons.
They're underneath the airplane. You see them sticking out when you come down the steps. Is it pretty comfortable in there?
Yeah. You like it?
Of course, you'd be wearing a special suit that would keep you from blacking out when you do maneuvers. And you'd have a face mask and a helmet on. And you could fly really high in this airplane. You want to try the helmet?
Wow, cool.
Oh, it
Wow.
looks like.
Oh,
Can you see? How can you see?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's bigger. It's bigger.
Can you give a thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Yay! Can you see?
Can you see us?
That's another
It's
problem.
bigger. Because it's for bigger people.
Here, you want to take it off? I'll take it.
Bella can try too. That's nice.
So you can use this to pull yourself up right there. Yep. Stand up on the seat. When you climb out, if you hold on to this, it helps.